Gipahibaw ni Gobernador Gwen Garcia nga nagpadala na og dugang kapulisan ang Cebu Provincial Police Office kun CPPO subay sa nahitabong krimen sa lungsod sa San Fernando diin gipusil patay ang magtiayong barigian. Matud sa gobernador kini agig tubag sa hangyo ni Mayor Nineth Reluya.
Mayor Nineth had requested really for more police visibility just to assure the residents of San Fernando that this will not become a repeat of the 2019 series of shootings that had happened and murders that had happened in San Fernando. And Colonel Soriano has immediately responded. In fact, this morning I was given, Mayor Nineth texted me very early that the reinforcement, additional PNP personnel have been sent to 3 barangays that she particularly requested.
Ang maong pulis gideploy sa tulo ka mga barangay nga mao ang South Poblacion, Balud ug Sangat. Gimanduan usab ni Garcia nga imbestigahan sa kapulisan ang maong insidente.
And of course, we are directing the PNP for a full investigation, a thorough investigation of this incident.
John Fredson Granada, Balita sa Sugbo.